think she's gonna have her babies tonight. Poo poo. It's her first time, so she's scared. It's okay, Tutu. It's okay, baby. This could take up to 12 hours. I was in the garden and I came inside and she's meowing like never before, so definitely something's going on. I know, it's okay. It's okay. Look, she's having a contraction. Are you excited
I'm
to see?
very excited. I've been waiting for this.
There she is. I got this ready here. Nala came under this chair to give birth, and we're gonna let her be because she feels more secure, and usually they look for dark places or they go under furniture. Here she's eating the placenta. Each baby will come with a separate placenta, and the mama will eat it and cut the umbilical cord as well as clean the baby. She's being very good. There you go. She's gonna have multicolor ones. Mira, qué fuerte. Oye, se le dio la... Wow. Good job, baby. Oh, that one is like the daddy. It's kind of yellowish. Yeah, orange. Oye, pero ¿y esa cosa es? No. Ya. Ay, qué cómico, como chupa negrito.
¿Qué está pasando ese mono? It's okay.
Pónselo ahí, pónselo ahí. One black, one like her, and a yellow one.